Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI channel. So as we know guys, here we are covering visuals under this playlist. So in the previous tutorial guys, we have studied about this custom visual which name is tornado chart. I hope you guys are cleared with that how and when we need to use this tornado chart. And now in today's tutorial guys, we will talk about the next custom visual of Power BI which name is Sunburst chart. And here you guys can see I have already exported this chart from the marketplace which name is Sunburst chart. And before start this class guys, let me give you the brief knowledge about this Sunburst chart. So this Sunburst chart is ideally used for hierarchical level of data where you guys can display each level of hierarchy in a one ring or a circle. A Sunburst chart without any hierarchical data, it looks like a normal donut chart. And in today's tutorial guys, we will cover many more features about this Sunburst chart. So let's go to the practical page and let me take this visual from here. And now let me place it here. So before start this class guys, look at the data set. So here we have names, genders, products, subcategory, country, region and its sales. So here we guys can clearly see we have hierarchical level of data like products and its subcategories, country and its regions. So you should have such kind of data set. And now let's go back to the report view. And now guys look at the parameter of this chart. So we have category and measure. So under category guys, you guys need to take any category from here. Let's say this time I'll take product column and drop here under this category parameter. And now guys we need to enter one measurable value. So I will take this, let's say sales. So here we guys can see I have taken only one category which name is product. So it is just same like a donut chart. So here you guys can see the sales of Pepsi product and here you guys can see the sales of coffee product. And now guys let me add few more categories here under this category parameter. So let's suppose I want to see the product subcategories. So I have a column guys which name is subcategories. So I will simply select this column and drop here under this category parameter. So see guys, the design of this Sunburst chart has changed. And now we guys can see its products as well as subcategories. So this coffee products come under this beverages. And in a similar way guys, this meals is come under this eatable subcategory. And this chart design is looking stunning. So in this way guys, you guys can add more and more categories. So let's add more categories here under this category parameter. So this time guys, I also want to add country parameter here. So I will select this country column and drop here under this category parameter. So see guys, now I can also see the countries and its subcategory and its product. And if you guys want to add more category, so let's say this time I will also take this region column. So simply select this field from here and drop it here. And now you guys can also see the regions. So let me increase the size of this visual. So see guys, this chart is looking more stunning. And its design is completely unique from other visuals. So I hope guys, now you guys are clear with this Sunburst chart. And now let's talk about the formatting features, that what else we can do here with this Sunburst chart. So you need to click here on this gear icon which is advanced setting. And now let's talk about some formatting feature which makes your chart more interactive and more attractive. So the first option is chart option. So let me click it here. So you guys can select any of the design from here. Let's say I want to design in this D shape. So just select this design and click here on apply button. So see guys, your chart is completely changed. And now you can see in this D format which is semicircle. And now again go back to the chart option and select this normal one. So in this way you guys can use this chart option and play with their designs. And now let's talk about the next option which is data color. So let me click it here. So here we guys can see we have color palette. Let me click on this drop down. And here we guys can see we have gradient, by category, sequential and so on. So let me select this gradient. And from here guys, you guys can change coloring from here. So I'll take the random color. Let's say this minimum would be red and the maximum would be green, and click apply. And again you need to click here on this apply button. So see guys, now the color has completely changed. So the inside color would be blue and the outside color would be green. This is what I have selected from under this data colors. So the minimum value returning this green color and the maximum value returning is blue color. So from here guys, you guys can play with the data colors. You guys can create your own color combinations with the help of this gradient feature. I hope you guys are clear with this data colors feature. And the next formatting feature is fill patterns. So let me click it here. So here we guys can see we can also enter some fill patterns. Let's say let me turn it on this button, and I want this squares, and under coffee parameter I want this, let's say circles, and hit apply. So see guys, so in this way you can also display your data with these symbols. So you guys can fill with this chart with patterns. So now let me make it reset to default and apply. See guys. And the next formatting feature is arc settings. So here you guys can increase or decrease the arc size. Let's say let me increase 4 as a radius corner, and let me increase the padding as well, and apply. So see guys, the design is again completely changed. And now let's talk about the next formatting feature, which are labels. So let me select this labels, and this time our orientation is curved. Let's suppose you want to change as linear, and click apply button. So see guys, your labeling design has changed. And now again go back to the label option and again change to linear to curved. In a similar way guys, you guys can also change the display style. Let's say you only want to see the categories. Just click here on the categories button and hit apply. So see guys, I can only see the categories. So there are many more features guys which you need to explore by yourself. You can change the font style just like a previous visuals and hit apply. And we have one more formatting feature guys here under this Sunburst chart, which name is sorting. So you guys can also apply the sortings. Just turn on this toggle button and select the field. Let's say I want to sort with this country. So select this country and into ascending order and hit apply. So see guys, so it is sorted from ascending order, which is A to Z. So you guys can also apply the sorting with the help of country, sum of sales, and so on. And we have one more formatting feature guys here under this formatting option, which name is ranking. And here guys, you guys can display top products and the bottom products. So let's say I want to display top 10. So just click here and apply. So you guys can display any top 5, top 2 or top 3 products with the help of this ranking function. And the next formatting feature is center circle. So you guys can also use this option to make your visual more attractive. Just click here and select this add layer, and we can see guys we have text, measure, icon and image. So if you want to put any image here, just select image from your browser. Let's say I have an image of this logo Shubham, and click open and save layer. So see guys, I can see the same image in middle of this chart. So in this way you guys can take any of the image here under this center of the circle. So here guys, we guys can see we have many more formatting feature of this Sunburst chart. We guys can do lot of formatting with the help of this formatting features. So I am going to cover this last formatting feature, which name is conditional formatting. And the rest features guys you need to cover by yourself. So just click here on this conditional formatting, or you guys can add rule from here. Just click here on this add rule. So you guys can enter the rule name, let's say sales. And here I will take if my sum of sales is equal to 5,000, or I can take is my sales is greater than 5,000, then it return in the form of yellow color. and hit apply and save. So see guys, so these are the portions guys where sales is greater than 5000. So you guys can also apply the conditional formatting. So I hope guys you have definitely enjoyed this tutorial and cleared with all the formatting features of this Sunburst chart. And now you guys understood that how and when we need to use this Sunburst chart. So I hope guys you have definitely enjoyed this tutorial and definitely learned something new about this Power BI custom visuals. So we guys will cover many more custom visuals here under this playlist. So for such kind of detailed learning guys, stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And if anyone wants to learn free Power BI from scratch, so here we have this free YouTube channel guys, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. And under this 50 tutorials guys, I have explained each and every concept in detail. And if you click here on this playlist button guys, so here you guys can see multiple playlists are here. So with the help of this DAX expression playlist guys, you guys can learn DAX functions from scratch, where I have tried to cover each and every DAX functions in detail. And also guys, we have one more playlist which name is Power BI Updates, where you guys will get to see the latest update about Power BI. So you don't require to go anywhere to see latest update about Power BI. And with the help of this visualization playlist guys, I am also trying to cover each and every visual in detail, including custom visuals. And those who are visit first time on this channel, kindly hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. So stay connected with us for such kind of detailed learning. And for the job seekers guys, we also have this Telegram group, where I am keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening, as well as you will also find some latest interview question and answers which recently asked by an interviewer. So you don't need to pay anything to anyone for jobs and trainings. But if you still think guys you require paid training sessions, so I am also providing one-on-one paid training sessions. And from day one class guys, I prepare for you interview rounds with some scenario based questions which is asked by an interviewer. So for paid training support or any other queries, you guys can connect me on LinkedIn or Telegram channel. Both the links are given under the description box. You guys can follow me there. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much.